how to share CapCut project between devices. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open CapCut application on your device and further, go to the Edit tab from the bottom toolbar. Now, go ahead and select the project you want to share and further tap on the three dots beside the project. You will then see the Share Project option. Tap on that. Now here, as you can see, it says Project Uploading did not close the app, which means the project is ongoing and not completed. So tap on the copy link option, or you can also directly share the link on Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook. Once copied, paste the link on the individual chat box with whom you are sharing the link, and now, if they tap on the link, they will be able to view exactly where you left the project. So this is how you can share CapCut project between devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.